Hello there. I hope you're all doing well by God's grace. We thank you for the love and support to this channel. And if you're new to this channel, we say a warm welcome to you. I just want to say, if you watch the videos and you like them, please share them, give them a thumbs up. That helps the video a lot. Okay? And also, you want to turn on all your notifications. That way, when we post a video, you will be notified. All right? Okay. So today we are making cabbage stew. And let's go over the ingredients quickly and get started. We have here some crabs, fresh, nicely washed and cleaned. Okay. All right. I thought I saw it move, but no, I guess it wasn't my mind. All right. So gizzard right here. It looks a little bit brownish because I put it in the microwave to thaw it, but it's good. It's not bad. I just took it out of the freezer. Mackerel fish, salted fish, salt, garlic, red onion, yellow onion, ginger, green cabbage, purple cabbage. So this is a mixture of onions, pepper, anise seed, garlic, and ginger. Blended melon seeds, crushed tomatoes, and some Dzomi. Hey guys, so if you're interested in seeing how I came out with this nice looking baked mackerel, I will leave a link in the description box. Okay, you can watch it. I think I have another video which I recorded months ago. I'll leave both of them there. You can watch it and make your own. All right, okay, let's get cooking. Friends, our food is ready. If you've watched the video till the end, I say a big thank you to you. Thumbs up if you like the video, share it, and subscribe if you have not. Join the family, okay? God bless you all, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.